Yo, what's up everybody? It's Ask to Know and we're back with another video. This time we're diving deep into the world of IT support. We're breaking down the 7 most common tasks an IT help desk tackles every single day. Whether you're thinking about a career in IT or you just want to be more tech savvy, this video is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech deep dives. Alright, let's get started. First up, we're talking about the one issue that plagues us all, forgotten passwords. The IT help desk, they're pros at this. They've got systems in place, security protocols to follow. They'll verify your identity first, then guide you through the reset process. This might involve a temporary password or a link sent to your recovery email. A good IT help desk won't just reset your password willy-nilly. They'll emphasize the importance of strong, unique passwords. Remember, a little password hygiene goes a long way. Next up, we're tackling software installation, compatibility issues, system requirements, conflicting programs. It's a jungle out there. The IT help desk, they're like the park rangers of this jungle. They know the terrain. They'll make sure the software you need plays nicely with your operating system and existing programs. And while they're at it, they'll probably throw in some best practices for good measure. No shady websites promising free stuff. That's how you end up with a computer full of digital gremlins. Let's talk about network connectivity issues, the bane of every internet user's existence. The IT help desk are the first responders to these digital emergencies. They'll start by asking you the obvious questions. Is the router plugged in? Then they'll dive deeper, checking your IP address, DNS settings. They'll walk you through troubleshooting steps, which might involve restarting your router a few times. If all else fails, they'll escalate the issue to the network gurus. Now we're getting into the physical realm hardware troubleshooting. We're talking about malfunctioning keyboards, printers that refuse to cooperate, and the dreaded blue screen of death. The IT help desk, they've got their toolkit ready for these situations. They'll run diagnostics, check for loose connections. They'll know if it's a simple fix, like a driver update, or if it's time to call in the hardware replacement team. They'll also give you advice on how to prevent future issues, like maybe don't spill your coffee on your keyboard. Chapter 5. Email Emergency, setting up and troubleshooting your inbox. Setting up a new account, configuring server settings, dealing with spam filters. It's enough to make anyone miss the days of snail mail. The IT help desk is here to guide you through the digital jungle of email. They'll walk you through the setup process step by step, making sure you've got the right ports, protocols, and if you're having trouble sending or receiving emails, they'll be your digital detectives tracking down the source of the problem. Chapter 6. Virus vanquishers, protecting your system from digital threats, viruses, malware, spyware. These digital gremlins can wreak havoc on your system. The IT help desk, they're like the digital ghostbusters. They've got the tools and the know-how to exorcise these digital demons. They'll run scans with their trusty antivirus software, quarantine infected files, and purge those malicious programs. They'll also give you the lowdown on how to stay safe online. Avoid suspicious links, keep your software up to date. Chapter 7. Data defenders, backing up and recovering your precious files. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've lost a crucial file. The IT help desk truly becomes your digital guardian angel. They'll preach the importance of regular data backups. They'll help you set up automatic backups, whether it's to the cloud or an external hard drive. And if the worst does happen, they'll be your data recovery specialists, diving into the depths of your system to recover those lost files. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the daily grind of an IT help desk. From resetting passwords to battling digital viruses, these tech-savvy individuals keep our digital lives running smoothly. They're the unsung heroes of the tech world, always there to lend a helping hand when we need it most. But before you go, it's time for our quiz question. What is the first step in troubleshooting network connectivity issues? Drop your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives. Peace out.